We've obviously got Australia's Privacy Act review, which has been in the works for the last couple of years, and I know you're involved in that as a key player. What do you think retailers should be preparing for next year or so?
There'll be some interesting timings coming out, but look, some of it's advice that we've been giving for a long time that should prepare retailers for most of the reforms. I mean, clean out your data, get rid of anything you don't need, do a data audit and a pixel and tags audit, because one of the main areas of concern with consumers and government is that sharing piece. You know, some of the wording that we're seeing currently around personal information is probably not what we'd consider personal information. So widening out what you would consider personal information. So I would be reviewing it's painful, every tech partnership. What am I allowing them to have access to? Every agency, just think where your data could be going, and if that's going to stop, what are the economic ramifications for my business? Start being more transparent with your consumers. Consumers will have a lot more ability to complain.
Yeah.
So the clearer you are on your website and the more transparent you are around decision making, data usage, it will hopefully limit people thinking you're doing something with their data that you're not.